If you've been searching for an honest eStage review, you're probably trying to figure out one thing. Is eStage actually worth it? After reviewing the platform, I can say this. eStage is not just another website builder. It's an all-in-one digital business hub designed to bring your website, funnels, CRM, memberships, community, live streaming, and automation into one centralized platform. And honestly, that's what makes it different. Most online businesses today are scattered across multiple tools. One platform for websites, another for email marketing, another for courses, another for communities, another for live streaming. It gets expensive, it gets complicated, and managing everything becomes a mess. eStage is trying to solve that problem by putting everything under one roof. Inside the platform, you get website building tools and sales funnels, CRM and automation and private communities, memberships and courses and live streaming capabilities, and centralized management from a single dashboard. One of the biggest strengths of eStage is its community-focused approach. Unlike traditional website builders, eStage was clearly designed for creators, coaches, churches, educators, and brands that want to build deeper engagement with their audience. The built-in community system includes things like member profiles, group discussions, live chat, post feeds, and event-based engagement tools. Another thing I like is the idea of owning your audience instead of depending entirely on social media platforms. That hub-centric philosophy is a major part of the eStage ecosystem. Now, to keep this review honest, eStage is not perfect. There is definitely a learning curve because the platform includes so many tools in one system. And compared to older platforms like Wix or ClickFunnels, the ecosystem is still growing. So if you only need a super simple website, eStage might actually be more platform than you need. But if you want to build a long-term digital business with websites, memberships, communities, automation, and live engagement all connected together, eStage becomes very interesting. Overall, I'd say eStage is best for creators, coaches, churches, community-driven brands, membership businesses, and entrepreneurs who want an all-in-one business hub instead of stacking multiple tools together. Final verdict? eStage looks like a strong platform for businesses that want centralized control, community engagement, and long-term scalability. And if that's the kind of business you're trying to build, it's definitely worth taking a closer look at. For the full breakdown and detailed review, visit eStagereview.net.